Affiliate marketing often gets labeled as complicated, oversaturated, or even a scam. But the truth of the matter is, it's actually one of the easiest ways to make money online if you know the steps. Back in 2021, I was working as a banker, and not that it was the worst job in the world, I just couldn't really get behind it. My life was mainly alarms, commutes in the morning, and wanting to figure out any way to get out of doing that for the rest of my life when I was at my job. My paycheck barely covered rent and I felt trapped. So I was looking for any way out, and eventually I found affiliate marketing. At first I failed. I picked the wrong products. I listened to the wrong people online that were telling me what I should be doing. And in reality, they were just steering me the wrong way. But once I figured out the right system, everything changed and I started making real money. Fast forward to today, and I've made an online income that has replaced my 9-to-5 job, and now I teach people how to do exactly what I did. So in this video, I want to break down exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing in 2025 and the steps that you need to take if you want to make real money doing it. You can do this with zero experience, because I had none as well when I got started. So let me jump on my computer real quick and I'll show you exactly how to get started. Hello and welcome to my computer. Now what I'm gonna do is show you step by step what you need to be doing in order to get started with affiliate marketing. When I got started, it was 5 years ago, so things have changed a little bit, but don't worry, I'm gonna hold your hand through all. Keep in mind, the first step is choosing the right product, and that's where most beginners fail. Okay, they pick random things with low commissions or stuff that no one really wants. In 2025, the best products to promote fall into 3 categories. Digital products, so courses, ebooks, templates, software tools, AI automation, funnel builders, just SaaS, basically, is what they call it. Or memberships or communities for reoccurring income, okay? So why digital, right? You're probably like, why should I pick a digital product? Well, instead of making $5 on a $100 sale, you can make $200 to $500 per sale with digital product. And that's because you don't have to worry about sending people products. When you have a physical product, you have to pay for the packaging, the shipping, and what if somebody doesn't like your product, right? What if they want to do a refund? Well, then you are out of the money that you used to ship, and then you're also out of the money for the product itself. And that's if you get your product back at all. With a digital product, you really don't have to worry about that at all. You create it once, and you can sell it as many times as you want, all right? So one of the biggest niches that people always want people to go into is either health, wealth, or relationships. Now, you're gonna hear that from every single affiliate marketing guy out there, all right? But what they don't tell you is it's not just about that. You have to find a product that you can provide value to a potential customer with. Now, what does that mean, right? So when you create the content to send traffic to the product, after you find your ideal product, you must provide value. And providing value allows you to create trust so that people will buy from you. If you don't do that, you can just click the X on the top of the screen right now, because you would just be doing nothing. It would be pointless, okay? Creating value is the best thing you possibly can do. So I'm gonna show you now what you need to be doing in order to find a product that you need to promote, right? So let's just dive into this. So right now, I'm in a website called Copecard. And basically what Copecard is a marketplace for you to find affiliate products for you to promote. Now, I'm going to tell you some criteria that you must follow in order to find a digital product that is worth your while, right? So you've hopefully picked a niche that you feel comfortable creating content with and providing value for, all right? So let's go ahead and filter this by income high to low. Now this is kind of crazy. Enterprise AI automation, your commission is $25,000 plus 10%. Now that's a little crazy. These are insane, right? So what you want to do is you want to be realistic, right? So maybe we'll type health up here and then, look through here. So here we got one, Ionic Care X3. Show your love through health and care. The Ionic Care device helps reduce muscle tension, improve circulation, and promote restful sleep. The price of this is $1,095 and you get 50% commission. That's pretty awesome, right? So it looks like they got a couple of them. Weight loss recipes, $72. Now, when you're looking for a product, you want to make sure that you feel comfortable promoting that product, right? And then you also want to make sure your commission is at least 40% or higher. You send them to your page first, right? You're just gonna click on promote. There may be a application process that you have to go through before you can get approved. If not, you'll be able to just copy the URL, and then we're gonna dive right into the next step. Second, you need a funnel. And don't worry, this isn't some crazy setup. A funnel is just a simple website that captures email, delivers value, and sends people to the offer. Instead of sending somebody directly to Amazon or ClickBank or Copecart, you send them to your page first. That way, you own the audience. And here's the good news. In 2025, 90% of this can be done for you. I give my students a done-for-you funnel, so the only thing they have to do is plug in a domain name and they can start collecting leads. I recommend ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is my favorite funnel builder. I wouldn't recommend anything else. But if you are on a little bit of a budget, now if you don't have $97 per month, then I definitely recommend StanStore. So basically, StanStore is a one-stop shop for everything that you need to know about all the links that are involved around you. So what does that mean, right? So I can have my funnel access, I can get people's emails here, I can send them to a product here, or they can get my coaching here. So you can put all of your links. That means you can even put affiliate links on this page. If they go through it and then they buy from you, you get the commission. That simple. Now this is about, I think it's $37 per month. I think they have a 2-week trial, so does ClickFunnels. So you can play around with both and see if either of them are good for you. Finally, traffic. Now this is where the money is made. Don't overthink this. You don't need millions of followers like I do. You just need attention from the right people. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are pushing short form content like crazy. And when you combine that with a simple DM script or a chatbot like ManyChat, you can literally turn views into leads and leads into commissions. And here's the secret. You're not hard selling in your content. You're building curiosity. The funnels and the emails do everything else for you. Now let's be real. Affiliate marketing isn't magic. It's not a get rich quick scheme. But if you give yourself 90 days to post consistently and plug in the right system, you'll be light years ahead of people still trying to figure it out alone. This is the same path that I used to escape my 9-to-5. And it's the same path hundreds of my students are on right now. So that's affiliate marketing in 2025 made simple. Pick a product, build a funnel, and then send traffic. It's really that simple. It's not some get rich quick scheme, unfortunately. I think we all wish we knew a fast way to make money. But if you stay consistent for the next 90 days, you'll be way ahead of everybody else who's still stuck guessing. If you want to skip the trial and error, I actually teach people how to do this as my full-time job. I guess I'm a coach. I call myself a coach at least. And I teach students all the time how to do this. I have a free training that explains the entire process on how to get started. All you have to do to get access is click the link in the description down below and you'll be able to get access to that. It's the same system that I use to escape my 9-to-5 job, and it's exactly what my students are using as well to help escape their 9-to-5 job. The only question I have left for you is, are you going to take action? If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I post videos like this all the time. And if you want any help from me at all, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook or reach out to me in the school community. I always want to help people, especially leave their 9-to-5 job. Until next time.